We'll guide you through how to connect a keyboard to a Nintendo Switch. If you find this guide useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video. So a keyboard can make your life so much easier on a Nintendo Switch as it allows you to go and type things super quickly. It doesn't really work as another controller, like you can't go and play games with it, or the games that I found anyway, but it's still super useful to have as you can type a lot faster. First of all, go and put your Switch into its dock so it's in the docking mode, because then we can go and use the USB ports on the dock. And also, I've just got a USB wired keyboard here as well. I haven't really tested this with wireless keyboards, but if you've got a wireless receiver, it probably is worth trying and it may work, but wired keyboards definitely do. So go and grab your USB, and then what we can do is go and plug it in. As you can see, we've got 2 ports here, and if we open up the back, you get access to more ports as well. I've now plugged it in, and as you can see, it's all lit up. Now, as you can see, if I try and use the keyboard, nothing is happening. But if I go and open up an app like the eShop, for example, you can actually navigate the eShop round with the keyboard, which is quite useful, but primarily you'll be using your keyboard for typing stuff. So things like passwords and messages and things like that. So for example, I could go and click on search, and I can then go and click on the text box, and now I can go and type just like so. But as I said, you can also go and navigate around the eShop with the keyboard as well, which is useful. So for example, I'll go and press escape, and I press escape again, and we're now back to sort of the main menu of the eShop. I could then go and use the arrow keys to go down. I could click on enter to go into a section, and I could then go and press escape to get back. So yeah, it is super useful to go and use your keyboard on your Switch. If you guys found this useful, then please consider subscribing and liking the video.